Mpolotom papo, mpolotom, mpolotom papo, mpolotom, polotom papo, mpolotom, mpolotom papo, mpolotom, polotom papo, mpolotom, mpolotom papo, mpolotom. Eh? To destroy and block, to destroy and block Ndagwulugwu, Ndagwulugwu, to destroy and turn and block, Ndagwulugwu, like Ndagwulugwu, her behind, her back, like a god, like Chineke, her back, her behind, Ndagwulugwu, then on death, causing sudden death, accident, disease, and negativities. Purpose to end humanity world, and all her throne where he exists, all her throne, physical and spiritual, like a god, and like Chineke, worship, being worship, her behind, her back, Ndagwulugwu, on sudden death, catastrophe, destruction of lives and property, end of the world. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colas, male dog, male dog, sobagu, otinku chicken, 4 he-goats, baby spider, cosmetic store, tissue napkins, destroy and turn her throne, and that will go on her behind, turn her upside down and destroy her. Where she might struggle to rise again, where we have destroyed. We use all to block. We use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colors, Chuku and Ndi hotel walls, all colors blocking, build physical and spiritual giant walls, block there. All our foundation, Chuku and Ndi hotel, transfer in those places, replace, and welcome us all there. Rise, get up, move forward. Peter, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA, USA, USA. Get up!